Make money online. Survey this site online business idea. 77 proven and easy to start online business ideas. 30 ways how to make money online in 2022. Best paid online service site 2022. Top 25 legit sites. Got some time to kill close the YouTube cat videos. You should to be making up £800 a year instead by taking paid online surveys and testing free products. There are dozens of market research companies recruiting new members fill out online survey for cash and reward. But be careful, many survey sites are not legit and never pay out. Who has used, reviewed and ranked 25 of the best paid survey sites that will pay for opinions. Every site has a limited number of paid surveys each month. To make money doing surveys and earn more rewards, join as many online survey panels as possible. We share more tips at the end. Branded survey online community with frequent market research survey. Sign up branded survey. How to make money online in 2022. 30 ways how to make money online in 2022. Over the past several years, interest in ways to make money online from the safety of our homes is on the rise. The magic of the web is that it is a sales channel marketing network, community hub all in all, plus too much more. There are many creative ways to make money online beyond surveys. Online business ideas. 27 online business ideas for beginners. Start a blog and monetize it. Number 2. Get started with affiliate marketing. Information products. Amazon partners. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Set up an e-commerce site. Self-publish a book on Amazon. Create a digital product, of course. Become a YouTuber. Start app development. Learn Facebook advertising. Learn and master. Hope you like. Thanks for watching. Next video come.